How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So, the first step is by opening your Instagram app. Go ahead on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Go to the three lines found on the upper right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy and go to Account Center on top. If you don't have this Account Center on top, then you might have this one on the bottommost part of your settings. So again, click on Account Center if you have it right here. And what you're going to do now is that click on Personal Details under Account Settings. So go to Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control, go to deactivation or deletion, and choose your Instagram account right here. Then you may deactivate your account or your delete account. Um, If you want it temporary, then make sure to choose deactivate on top and not the delete account. Click on continue and then simply follow the steps needed. So you may type in your password, um, click on continue, and then you may provide a reason why you are deactivating your account and etc. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.